Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How American trucks excel in off-road conditions. When it comes to off-road driving, not all vehicles are built to handle the challenge. American trucks, however, have earned a solid reputation for tackling rugged trails, uneven terrain, and unpredictable conditions. Their blend of power, durability, and smart design makes them a top choice for both adventurers and professionals who demand reliability. Whether you're conquering rocky paths or hauling gear through the woods, these trucks are built to perform where it matters most. Curious how they do it? Let's break it down. Overview of off-road capabilities. American trucks are built to stare down punishing trails and come out unshaken. What sets them apart from standard vehicles is a mix of thoughtful engineering, rugged components, and designs honed for the toughest challenges. From their robust frames to specialized tires, every detail matters when it comes to off-road performance. Let's take a deeper look at the key attributes that allow these trucks to dominate in the wild. Durability and build quality. Tackling off-road conditions means your truck is going to face harsh environments, rocks, mud, sand, and more. This is where durability becomes non-negotiable. American trucks are engineered with sturdy materials like high-strength steel and aluminum to ensure they can take a beating without compromising performance. Many models use fully boxed frames instead of open C-frames for enhanced rigidity and reduced flexing. Reinforced body panels protect critical areas from dents, corrosion, and wear caused by debris. Advanced coatings and rust-resistant metals help protect the structure from exposure to water and mud. Whether you're climbing steep rock faces or pushing through deep snow, these construction features stop the truck from feeling like it's straining under pressure. They're built to last, even after years of abuse. Suspension systems. When it comes to absorbing bumps and keeping all four wheels connected to the ground, suspension systems are the unsung heroes of off-road driving. Without solid suspension, every rock or rut would feel like hitting a brick wall. American trucks typically offer beefed-up suspension systems designed for off-road punishment. Common systems include independent front suspension, IFS, which provides a smoother ride and better control, and solid axle, or live axle, known for supreme durability and articulation, perfect for environments with extreme unevenness. Leaf springs are tough and reliable for heavy loads, while coil springs offer improved flexibility and traction. Many manufacturers include adjustable or heavy-duty shocks, such as Fox or Bilstein, which allow the suspension to adapt on the fly to different terrains. These prevent bottoming out and keep the ride more predictable, even on gnarly trails. Tires designed for off-roading. Your truck's connection to the ground starts and ends with the tires, making them one of the most critical factors in off-road performance. Off-road tires are built tougher than standard street tires, with deep treads and reinforced sidewalls. Mud terrain, MT, tires are designed to handle deep mud and loose surfaces, with aggressive tread patterns that dig in like claws. All-terrain, AT, tires offer a balance of on-road comfort and off-road grip, perfect for drivers who switch between trails and highways. Rock-crawling tires are specifically crafted for areas with sharp rocks, typically featuring extra thick sidewalls to reduce punctures. Modern off-road tires are also made with puncture-resistant materials and self-cleaning tread designs, which help fling out mud and prevent slipping. It's like putting on hiking boots instead of casual sneakers when you head into the wild: better grip, less worry. Understanding these three components, durability, suspension, and tires, highlights how American trucks rise to the challenge of unpredictable off-road conditions. Each one plays a role in creating vehicles that are as tough as the terrain they face. Key features for off-road performance. When it comes to off-road adventures, certain features make a truck stand out. From powerful drivetrains to protective designs, these attributes ensure that American trucks can tackle tough trails with ease. Let's take a closer look at 4 key features that enhance off-road performance. 4-wheel drive systems. 4-wheel drive, 4WD, is like having a secret weapon when it comes to off-roading. This system distributes power to all 4 wheels, ensuring better traction on slippery or uneven surfaces. There are 2 main types of 4WD systems: full-time and part-time. Full-time 4WD operates automatically, sending power to both the front and rear wheels at all times. It's great for continuous traction on difficult roads. Part-time 4WD allows the driver to switch between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive as needed. Use it when you need extra grip without burning unnecessary fuel on dry roads. With a robust 4WD system, trucks can handle mud, snow, and rocky pathways much better than those without. This feature transforms an ordinary truck into a capable off-road machine. That wraps up Part 1. We've covered the key features that make American trucks so off-road capable. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll go even deeper into the tech and performance that make these trucks true off-road warriors. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.